You know that little set of rotating steps at the base of your plunge router? That's a depth stop. You may think you know how to use it, but a lot of woodworkers don't really understand how useful it can be for setting precise plunging depths. So here's how it works. First, you have to zero it out by placing the router on a bench top or on the workpiece itself, lowering the plunge mechanism until the end of the bit touches the wood, and then locking it in place. Most routers have a scale and a cursor on the side. Forget about those. They're not accurate enough for precision joinery. Instead, use some setup blocks like these. You see these a lot in our videos because they're incredibly versatile all over the shop. If you don't have a good set, I'll put a link below this video. Just click on Show More if you're on YouTube. Now take any combination of setup blocks and place them on the lowest step on the router's base. Lower the depth stop to touch the blocks, lock it, and then pull the box out. Now your router will plunge exactly as deep as your setup blocks were thick. If you want to reach that full depth incrementally, which is a good idea if it's really deep, rotate to the highest step first. Then make a cut, rotate to the next step, go a little bit deeper, and work your way down incrementally through 3 lighter cuts, one step at a time. On many routers, you can also micro-adjust the setting by turning the end of the depth stop. This will increase or decrease the depth of cut by a tiny bit at a time. Another way, though, to micro-adjust is to get a simple set of feeler gauges. I'll link to these below too. Add a couple of these to the setup blocks to increase the depth of the cut by very small increments. If you want to decrease the depth of the cut, reduce the thickness of your stack of setup blocks and then add some more feeler gauges. This way you can sneak up on the perfect cut, adding a few thousandths of an inch at a time until your joinery fits perfectly. Once you get it dialed in, you can even make a wooden setup block that's customized to your project. Make it to fit between the end of the depth stop and the lowest step, and then save it for the next time you have to make that same cut in that same project part. For more great tips, tricks, and tutorials designed to make you a better woodworker, check out Stumpy Nubs Woodworking Journal. You can read and subscribe for free at stumpynubs.com. Happy routing!